Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Raksi Monique, and today I'll be showing you a casual daytime lookbook that I put together. I hope you like it, and don't forget to follow me on my social media because all of these pictures will be posted on my social media. All of these looks will be posted on my Instagram and Tumblr as I share them with you daily, and also other looks may be posted, so that's a good way to keep in touch with the fashion that I'm liking. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and leave a comment down below on anything any thoughts that you have, any suggestions, anything. Just leave a comment down below. So the first look I want to talk about is very comfortable and very casual in my opinion. It's this thin strap crop top that I got from Fashion Over, paired with some jeans that I also got from Fashion Over. These nice blue simple jeans and some sandals. Now this is an outfit that I would wear probably if I'm going to the beach or on a road trip with my friends, and I just want to be comfortable and it's going to be a hot day. Now the second look I want to show you guys is very similar to the first look. It's just it's the black version of the crop top, another pair of jeans from Fashion Over. The whole outfit is from Fashion Over, and some brown sandals. Now I like this look. It's the same, basically the same look, but just in a different style. The top is black and the shorts are lighter, and this can also be worn to the beach, the same places, to the park, maybe even any event where you're just hanging out with your friends and you're just chilling. So the next outfit is a bit more dressy. It's a green romper from Fashion Over and some black block heels from Shoe Dazzle. Now I like the strappiness of the heel. It's a very thick, soft strap. Actually, it has a velvetish feeling, or a Swedish feeling I should say, but the strap actually didn't stay up very easily, so moving around a lot in it won't be very helpful. But the shoes are very comfortable for a casual day, and it's more of a, in my opinion, you're going out for lunch or brunch or some event, you're going out with your friend where it's in the daytime, but you want to look a bit more dressy. The next outfit is also a bit dressy in my opinion, but it's still very comfortable. It's a pink floral top from Fashion Over, a nice khaki, I would say, shorts from Shoko, and some nice pink wedge heels from Payless. This outfit is to me very comfortable and very casual, but still cute at the same time. So if you're going to the park, if you're going on a little daytime date, going to get ice cream, anything you can think of where you want to look cute, but then you want to be very comfortable and want to be able to, for example, sit on the grass or sit on a ledge, because you're not going anywhere where you're gonna have chairs and tables. The next look I want to show you is this floral romper that I got from Princess Polly, and I am in love with it. It is so comfortable but so girly at the same time, and I paired it with some brown sandals. You can wear it on a date, you can wear it to a brunch. It's definitely fit for the daytime. You can wear it to the park, you can wear it to walk your dog, you can wear it to go run errands, you can go to the supermarket, and you can also go and eat lunch with your friends. So especially if you're having a busy day and you want to look good throughout the day, but then you also have to go to something that's more dressy and a get together or something, is perfect. So those are some casual day looks that I put together. I personally wanted to make sure there was a range from very casual to a bit more dressy daytime look, because there are many different events that you can have during the day, and not all the time you want to look dressed down or comfortable. Sometimes you want to be comfortable but look very dressy. I hope you guys like the looks that I made, and you can also suggest other looks that you think would be nice for a casual daytime look down in the comments below. Also let me know which one of the looks was your favorite, but I'd love to hear which one you wear or which one you definitely wouldn't be caught dead wearing. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and follow me on my social media so you can keep up with me all the time when I'm not on YouTube, because I'm definitely very active and I will respond to any of your messages or comments or anything anywhere. And I'm mostly posting about fashion or talking about fashion, but if you want to get to know me personally, on Twitter I am posting about all sorts of foolishness that I'm interested in. I'm happy that you guys watched this video, and I hope you really liked it, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye guys.